Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the volume of your videos in CapCut PC. Select your video and place it on your timeline. Go to the audio section here, and here is where you can basically change the audio volume. You can also do it here. You'll be more precise here though, since you can type it and kind of adjust it one by one. So this is what it sounds like, very small. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And this is what it sounds like if it's very loud. Super simple. I'm just going to add this in. And I'm just going to go to the text. Okay, that is it for this video. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.